Alright, boys. What's going on, my fellow BMX bandits? Figured I'd give you guys a look at the skate park today. Weather's holding up a little bit. It's a little bit windy. But we'll figure it out here. Holy crap. Alright. Catch my breath real quick. So, I'm not exactly sure the year this got built for us, but we tried for a very long time to get this thing put up. Excuse me. Yeah, like 20 so years trying to get this thing up, and it's been up for a while now. Put this bike down. It's been up for a while, but you know, even though it's a weekday and school's in and all that, this place is usually dead, and it's a shame. But these prefab ramps, I don't know, man, sketchy, slick. They definitely got water on them right now. Got a little bit of rain last night, but it's pretty warm. It's just windy as shit. It's called Telford Park. It's in Beloit, Wisconsin. It's decent. You know, it's enough to fuck yourself up. You know, it's like, everybody better be wearing a helmet out there. You know, unless you're a professional. You know, you do what you want, actually, freestyle, buddy. But yeah, this is sketch right here, man. Oh crap. Here we go with the wind, boys. This right here, I think if it was wider, it'd be a little better. But I tried down this thing a couple times, a couple years ago, and it's crazy. There's a couple of guys, not sure if they're around here, but they come here every once in a while, and they flow this thing. This is a fucking spine and shit. Little fucking table or whatever that is, man. They fucking flowing over through there. Back through over here. Man, this one is brutal. I hope it is not fucking up the video. I'm sorry for blowing your guys' ears out. But yeah. It's a skate park over here. Yeah. Now this spot, oh shit, hold on, let me get you guys out of this wind. This spot right here is my nemesis. Oh shit, sorry for the finger again. This ledge right here doesn't look that dangerous, right? And I've sessioned on it a few times before this shit happened. But I happen to, you know, I'm up here, I'm gonna send a line, come through, jump on this thing, feeble that, come off of here, and I go to jump on to feeble this thing, and it catches. And I fall all the way to the bottom and snap my shoulder up. Busted my shoulder. These guys came out of here. Ambulance and fire department right next door. Tried to get me to get in the ambulance. I was like, no, I'm fine. I was messed up, but I didn't realize how much. But then I just go home. You know, a little while later, all of a sudden I do something, my arm pops out of socket. Ever since then, arm would not stay in the socket. So, I go and have surgery done in about 2017, just after my daughter was born. And yeah, it's not been right since. I've been trying to get it right. And it's just hard. It's like locked up. What it was my shoulder blade misaligned and got stuck that way, which was pushing my shoulder out. Let me try to block some of this wind. That's probably not helping on. But anyways, we'll look at it this way. Oh no, this is garbage. I'm sorry for this. Anyways, so the shoulder blade was misaligned. The labrum tendon or something like that. That it was snapped They had to they had to cut my bicep tendon, reattach it. Oh my God, I got like 4 anchors and 6 screws holding that shit all together. But yeah, sorry for this. I'm just trying to get this out because for the past couple of videos I've had a lot to say and I haven't said it because for some reason I turned this camera on and I don't know what to say anymore. It's fucked. But yeah, just a prefab, man. I just fuck around in this ledge. I'm a little old and decrepit now, you know. Nah, I'm just trying to stay safe, man. That thing screwed me up for a long time. I do want redemption on it though. I do. But I don't know if the risk is worth the reward. Because I was out for a couple of years from that damn thing. But it's fun. You know, as long as you're having fun on your bike, it doesn't matter what you're doing. Doesn't matter. How old you are, doesn't matter. As long as you love this fucking lifestyle, sport, what you want to call it, it is. You're good, man. BMX is BMX. Let's see if I can set this up, maybe get a feeble real quick. Let me see. I don't know how good this is going to be, fellas, but we're going to try. We're going to try. Maybe angle it a little bit this way. Hopefully the wind ain't crazy. I'm going to get this feeble real quick. Washed up, boys. But it is what it is. I try. I'm having fun. You know, it is what it is. There's a puddle out there too. I had to dodge. Almost died. But damn, man, trying to make these videos like 10 fucking minutes, and it's crazy. I feel like I got a lot to talk about. But then I get on here and I'm just like, but I'm gonna let you guys go because this wind is brutal. You guys have a nice day.